Ebusha yamu ache ama wo akwaba Adom TV suni ena ye February bo semene de toso edu miensa unim se meme ndadru se na no wotwenya aba na na wotwe dwumadie ena yesin kunya na ye de bro dwumadie so ena nsem a akoso na wotwemu ni nyina no ye je bread do hwere mienu eda ye nimu no na fe ye bobo ho midin the chief Jerry Force the channel so showing live ewo Adom TV sa so tie nka Asempa 94.7 FM. Now, I'm watching Akwaba live from our studios here, 355 Fanofa Street, Kokomlimle. Echecho bia sene wa unim nochina. Valentine's Day. We are in the month of love. Inti bia happy Valentine's Day. Now, anapay and someone a good pronso miensa. Ni nyina hu hia pa. Nyedi kan, udi onwa to famwa. Beye na wotu kakra ni. Me be share na wotwe dwumadi ase bia no a me de covid ho amane kakra me de bow but anapay no ye be share da agebre kakra na fei abejafo atenasi ya twetwe enkomo kakra mema cases no sania etie already in the last update of president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo no on the same bebre etu jabara no pay ye bisa se aso sanhye ni nyina no ye di so embofra no eco school. How well are they protecting themselves in our schools? Social distancing, these are issues, you know, saying, sorry, mu, one more maintaining protocols in I think so pubs, any drinking spots, restaurant, Penika say, and ka yembi no. Who do I need to from my boom say? Do one and rest the other and me say, do one more ABA, and yaba, yabesha figures, no, ekakra, and we are sama, edika, netosum, you know. Na wotwe Supreme Court ekọ asetena na ensemono ne pompon so pa abra the first and second respondent say enya de ambema omo witnesses aba witness box nim abedi adanse. In fact there was a long your friend saying debate on that one. Lawyer Chachichu Kata and a bench no na wie no Supreme Court rule say wamujitum say first and second respondent no one witnesses no embada kanima wamujitum but niayatie and say lawyer Chachichu Kata any lawyers for the petitioner no one file to reopen their case and also to subpoena the electoral commission chairperson Madam Jim Mensah say omrada kanim na say bisabi e ho no one emfa embisa no na pay ye beji benafe atwehwe anu so mu enkomo kakra. Afei so ne twato na etoso miensa the vetting ekoso na wotwi yehunu several minister designates womo akopie vetting committee no enim honorable Kwakwajima Menu, honorable Yawe Duchum, honorable Dominic Nitu, honorable Matthew Poku Prempe, honorable Seche Mensa Bunsu, enra attorney general honorable Godfred Dame and so ekopie mu. It was a long one and apay yebeje benafe yahwe how they fared before the committee. Now, Chidumediesu and you're joining live. Our Facebook, Adom TV, our Facebook, na Fay Asempa 94.7 FM. Our Facebook. Within the Chief Jerry Forson, in Humra.